How to receive a QR code for your UK Immigration ID Check app in 2025. Make sure to watch this video until the end. First, head over to the official UK government website, gov.uk, and start your visa or immigration application. Go through the basic stats like filling in your details, uploading documents, and choosing your visa type. Eventually, you'll reach a step where the system will ask how you want to prove your identity. When that happens, select the option to use the UK Immigration ID Check. This app will help you verify your identity using your smartphone without needing to visit a visa center. The app is available for both Android and iOS. You can find it on the Play Store and the App Store. Once you choose to use the app, the system will generate a unique QR code. This is the one you need. The QR code appears right on your screen, and it's how you link your online application to the app on your phone. To use it, simply open the Immigration ID Check app on your phone and scan the QR code using your camera through the app. This connects your phone to your visa application securely. Now, if you accidentally close the page before scanning the QR code, don't worry. Just log back into your UK visa application online. Go to the identity verification section and you will see the QR code again. It stays active until your ID check is complete. Once you scan the code and link your application, the app will guide you through scanning your passport, taking a selfie, and verifying your details. Make sure your phone supports NFC if you are using a biometric passport. That's it. You have successfully received your QR code for the UK Immigration ID Check app.